5 ways automation affects education. Faster grading. One such way of making sure that AI helps teachers is through grading and the speed that grades take. Many have had anticipation when waiting for a grade, but then have to deal with waiting for your grades. Through AI, that suspense is a thing of the past. The answers are entered to match the known answer to the marked answer and graded from those answers. Personalized learning. Another way for AI to help is by making sure the students understand what they are learning, and also making sure it is up to those students' standards. Every teacher is different and will focus on certain topics while neglecting others. The AI will make sure that if necessary, the students will get their own personalized lesson plans. Identifying classroom issues. AI has a way of seeing what happens in its environment. The system is able to evaluate what is happening and find any problems. If an AI is programmed to understand the error, it would be easy for it to see the failure of people and how those people can improve. Though it would help in some areas, the most definite way to use AI is to make sure that problems in the room are addressed and handled. 24/7 assistance. AI can be a very accommodating thing, with the ability to use consolidated information and help teach that information if need be. That's exactly what is being implemented. With a set of example homework problems and lessons plans being fed to the machine, the AI can use these in order to act as an assistant for the student that is readily available. Creating a better learning experience. In terms of making sure the class runs smoothly, the best way to do so is by making sure the students are having the best experience they can. While many might perceive this as a teacher-specific problem, children also need to have a good experience in class. Generally, it is all up to the teacher to plan the lessons and activities, but AI can even have a good influence on this.